In a world of glittering skyscrapers, fast-moving stock markets, and trillion-dollar economies, there exists another reality. One where clean water, reliable electricity, and a daily meal are not guaranteed. This is the paradox of our global age. Some countries are unimaginably rich, while others remain trapped in cycles of poverty. How did the gap grow so wide? And perhaps more importantly, what can wealthier nations do to help? In this segment, we explore the dynamics of global inequity, the role of rich nations, the struggles of poor nations, and the solutions, both attempted and imagined, that can possibly bridge this divide. In our interconnected world, where trade, technology, and ideas move faster than ever before, one question continues to puzzle economists, historians, and everyday people alike more than any other. Why or how are some countries getting richer while others remain trapped in poverty? By looking at some of the wealthiest countries on Earth, Singapore, Qatar, Norway, and Luxembourg, as well as others like the US and China, we will attempt to shed light on how certain countries were able to achieve enormous wealth and what they can do with their wealth, if they choose, to help poorer countries find their way out of poverty. We will uncover the histories, resources, and governance structures that aligned to help catapult these few wealthy countries into the prosperous nations they are today. After that, we will contrast these countries' roads to prosperity with some of the world's poorest nations, examining the barriers they face and asking whether poverty can truly be escaped. And if so, what needs to be done? History reminds us that wealth and prosperity are not fixed. After the devastation of World War II, Europe was in ruins. Yet, through a combination of international aid, most notably the Marshall Plan, and domestic reforms, countries like Germany, France, and Italy rebuilt, transforming themselves into economic powerhouses. This shows us a crucial truth. With the right support, economic stability is possible, even in the bleakest of times. But the question remains, can this lesson be applied globally today? At its core, global inequity is about uneven distribution of money, yes, but also of opportunities, resources, and power. According to the World Bank, the wealthiest 20% of the world controls more than 75% of global income, while the poorest 20% holds just 1.5%.